Hypertension in young population along with coronary artery disease and higher heart rate के बारे में बात करने हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर सुमित नारंग, कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, मरिंगो एशिया हॉस्पिटल, फरीदाबाद सेक्टर 16 हरियाणा से।
I am Dr. Sumit Narang, cardiothoracic surgeon, adult cardiac surgery, Marigo Asia Hospital, Sector 16, Faridabad, and I am doing adult cardiac surgery, vascular surgery, as well as thoracic surgery. Also, my clinic is at Sector 14, Faridabad, house number 1378.
डॉक्टर, क्या हाल ही में युवा रोगियों में हाइपरटेंशन और दिल के दौरे की घटनाओं में वृद्धि हुई है? यदि हाँ, तो इसका कारण क्या हो सकता है?
Yes, the hypertension and heart disease is increasing in young people, and earlier it used to be in the age bracket above 50 years for male and above 65 years for female, but now even the young people less than 35 years or 30 years also are having this problem of blood pressure and heart disease, and the real causes are excess of stress, lack of exercise, sedentary habits, bad eating habits, and other intake of the excess of smoking, and also the physical as well as a lot of mental stress, job related stress. These are the main factors.
डॉक्टर, हाइपरटेंशन में हृदय गति की समस्या क्या है?
So heart rate is an important indicator. In hypertension, if there is persistent increase in heart rate, then that is a bad prognostic indicator. So heart rate also needs to be controlled. Otherwise, the increased heart rate is associated with increase of cardiac events like heart attack and also. If the heart rate is on higher side, it is strongly correlated with the adverse outcome, and it needs to be controlled along with blood pressure. Both heart rate and blood pressure needs to be controlled if the heart rate is elevated.
डॉक्टर, हाइपरटेंशन के रोगी को दवा के साथ क्या सावधानियां बरतनी चाहिए?
Along with regular medications, we should take a good diet which is low in salt, and it's a healthy diet and less of fried food and less salt. Then regular exercise, regular workout, and maybe meditation and proper sleep. And along with it, there is, if possible, should take 6 to 8 hours, at least 8 hours sleep in a day, and regular this exercise. All these are important to control blood pressure.
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.